Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're taking a closer look at one of Nikon's most anticipated releases, the 2026 Nikon Z6 III. Positioned as the ultimate hybrid camera for creators and professionals, the Z6 III brings notable upgrades in sensor performance, autofocus, video capability, and overall reliability. Let's explore why this camera is shaping up to be one of Nikon's strongest mid-range full-frame offerings yet. A new generation sensor, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. The 2026 Nikon Z6 III introduces a redesigned full-frame sensor aimed at improving dynamic range, low light performance, and color depth. Nikon focuses heavily on delivering cleaner output with improved highlight recovery and richer tonal transitions. This new sensor handles challenging lighting environments with ease, giving photographers more flexibility during both shooting and post-processing. It's an ideal upgrade for users who demand high-resolution images without sacrificing speed or sensitivity. Autofocus accuracy and tracking, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. Autofocus is one of the biggest improvements on the 2026 Nikon Z6 III. Equipped with advanced subject detection, faster deep learning algorithms, and wider AF coverage, the camera locks onto subjects with confidence even in complex scenes. Its improved tracking system follows fast-moving subjects smoothly, making it a strong choice for wildlife, sports, and event photographers. Eye, face, and object detection are more responsive, ensuring sharper results with far fewer missed shots. Video upgrades for hybrid creators, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. The 2026 Nikon Z6 III raises the bar for video performance. With higher internal recording modes, enhanced oversampling, and better thermal management, the camera delivers high-quality video suitable for filmmakers and content creators. Expect cleaner footage, smoother colors, and reliable performance during extended shoots. Nikon's color science also sees refinements, offering stronger skin tones and improved grading potential. For hybrid shooters switching between photo and video, the Z6 III feels more seamless and professional. Stabilization, build, and usability, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. The 2026 Nikon Z6 III includes an upgraded in-body stabilization system designed to compensate for more movement and improve handheld shooting. The body itself feels familiar yet refined, with better ergonomics and improved button placement. Nikon enhances the menu system and custom configuration options, allowing creators to quickly access critical settings. Weather sealing and durability are also improved, making the Z6 III a dependable tool for field photography and travel work. Low light performance and image quality, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. Low light performance takes a significant leap forward on the 2026 Nikon Z6 III. Clean high ISO images, improved noise reduction, and stronger detail retention allow the camera to shoot confidently in dim environments. This makes it perfect for night photography, indoor events, and cinematic video shoots. The combination of the new sensor and enhanced processing engine leads to sharper images with more accurate color reproduction under challenging lighting conditions. Connectivity and workflow improvements, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. The 2026 Nikon Z6 III supports faster wireless transfer speeds, improved USB-C performance, and smoother pairing with mobile devices. This ensures quick delivery of images for creators working on tight schedules. Tethering, live view monitoring, and remote shooting all benefit from faster communication protocols, streamlining the entire workflow from capture to editing. Final verdict, 2026 Nikon Z6 III. The 2026 Nikon Z6 III delivers meaningful improvements across sensor performance, autofocus speed, video capabilities, stabilization, ergonomics, and low-light shooting. For photographers and hybrid creators looking for a versatile full-frame camera that performs consistently in any environment,